I have seen Beaufort.
ठीक है नीरजा जी, you will be writing books.
I have seen all these things.
You know,
okay, Nirja ji.
Various things have been raised. The BJP spokesperson was saying this, and rightly so, that corruption can lead to deaths, huge number of deaths, no doubt about it. So, but the point is, the corruption has not yet been proved. The deaths in Manipur are a reality in front of us. You know, I reacted to your question. It's a very small point I wanted to make. But my question also is, given of course, the executive powers of Kejriwal as CM, Manu Singhvi has said some things about it. Let's see where it all pans out in the coming hours and days, what he's allowed to do or not allowed to do as the Chief Minister of Delhi. But the question that arises in my mind as a result of the court's remarks about the CBI is the court's rulings in Sisodia case about the ED and now about the CBI. Is it defanging the ED and CBI insofar as its use against a political opponents is concerned? Will that happen? It's a question mark. The other thing, of course, is Kejriwal will have all the time in the world now to campaign in the Haryana elections for his party. And how that will pan out, because the alliance with the Congress has broken. Will this help the BJP? Because the Aam Aadmi Party, even if it cuts into 1,000, 2,000 votes in every constituency, is going to be a vote that was for change. And that's what widely believed. So also in Delhi, if it doesn't go in for an alliance with Congress party, and Congress, I've been going around looking at Sisodia's Padyatras and what the people are saying. And generally the fight seems to be between Aam Aadmi Party, there's sympathy for Kejriwal, why is he being kept in jail and so on. But now, of course, that may wane once he's out, and that kind of sympathy will not remain. But it's a fight between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, essentially. But the Congress is a factor still in Delhi. The Congress all over is in the process of reviving. Overall, the people want to see the revival of the Congress, irrespective of what the Congress is doing or not doing, to take on the BJP. So if there is no alliance between AAP and Congress in Delhi also, how much will that hurt Aam Aadmi Party, and how much will it help the BJP? So Kejriwal on the rampage politically, building up his party in Delhi, campaigning for his party in Haryana, who is it going to help? That is a very interesting question also to look at. Who is it going to help politically?
We will probably look at it because there's an election in Haryana, in a month's time, less than a month's time. And then, of course, we have Delhi that is coming up next year, 2025. That should be interesting. Sanjay, you have exactly 20 seconds. Can you tell me for you what is it that stood out for you in the judgment today?
What stood out in the judgment is Justice Bhuiya's concurring opinion. He could have very well said, look, bail is being granted. I go along with that. But he then suddenly penned down the reasons why he thought that the CBI had been unfair. So that really stands out. It tells me that much as we despair of our institutions, there are people who are standing up and who try very hard. That gives me hope.
On that positive and hopeful note, I think we should end this debate. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Hegde, for joining us as always, giving us your perspective. Abhishek Sudhir, good to have you on the show as always. Raviji, namaskar. Thank you very much. And Nirja ji, thank you very much for talking to us about what impact this will have on the political ecosystem in this country. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.